this video.
He's coming around. There he is. He's coming towards us. Oh my gosh. Oh, look. Oh, he flipped.
We take a tour of Tahiti's Lagoon. We see a sea turtle, tons of dolphins, a stingray, an eagle ray, a shipwreck, an airplane wreck, and its capital city, Papeete. Afterwards, we walk around Papeete. Join us. Originally, this was supposed to be a snorkeling tour, but as you'll see, the surf was high and the tide was in, so the current was really strong, and I didn't feel comfortable getting out there snorkeling, so it turned into a wildlife tour. And what a fantastic tour it turned out to be. We booked this ages ago with Benoit. I'll put his information down in the description below. And he was so nice to be able to change around things when we didn't feel comfortable snorkeling. We saw more wildlife than I ever thought we would see in Tahiti's Lagoon. And the strong surf meant surfers were out. And wow, are they good. I'm so impressed. As you'll be able to tell from the excitement when we see sea turtles and dolphins, we loved this. It was fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it as much as we did. And at the end, we'll show you around Papeete just a little bit.
Here. He's coming around. Oh, there he is. He's coming towards us. Oh my gosh. Oh, I saw his head. Oh. So these are wrecks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here this is a boat.
That's a boat wreck. Here. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. And that's a plane. Yeah, you can. Yeah, oh, the boat looks huge comparatively.
It's 30 meters deep, the boat, but don't look like that because this is very clear.
Yeah, it looks like it's just right there.
Yeah.
So that's a boat, and that was a plane over on the other side. Wow. That?
Yeah, this is dolphins.
Dolphins! Dolphins!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Look, there's a whole bunch of them. We haven't seen any dolphins. Look at that. Oh, look. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere.
Look at you. Oh. missing this. Oh my gosh, look at
It's
them.
everywhere, from 9 o'clock
Oh, look
to
at
11.
Yes, they're everywhere.
Depending if this is a leader or not.
Oh yeah, I can see them really well, Aiden.
Oh, good.
Yeah, we've got some good dolphin footage. This is great. Oh, look at them.
It looks so dark.
Yeah.
Almost like black.
Sometimes you can see the boat.
Oh wow.
We can see the wave of the street.
Wow.
You have to give your feet.
Yeah. That's gonna hurt. Wow, it's not gonna hurt. Oh! Wow!
stingray.
You can see it
Yeah,
spins
yeah.
like it's.
You can see?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty.
Now this is a spotted eagle ray, or the other name, this is leopard ray.
This is the marina. It's where you come to get some excursion boats. And there's a restaurant. This is the marketplace. Papeete market. Yes. It's almost time for it to close, so. Isn't that cute? Oh yeah. This is the post office. Quite a weird looking building though, isn't it? I can't even believe that I'm going to say this. I'm on Marlon Brando's island. Next time, we go beyond my bucket list and go to Marlon Brando's private island. And I was beyond excited to finally get to see this place. Join us.